that I hate eating these plates. Like,
Mama, you don't let me move. Oh my gosh. The Angelo ones?
yeah.
Mama.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone.
Alright, y'all. So I'm done with my content. I did 2 sponsorships. So I feel real productive. And I told myself yesterday, I said, I'm going to go to bed tomorrow. And I'm going to sleep until I wake up. Because I know it's going to be about 10, 11 o'clock when I do bounce up. I say, I need to give me some rest. And I'm going to do me some content. Got that done. Like I said, I did 2. So I'm feeling real influencer-ish. I usually be tired, like just extra tired. So I give me some fish sticks. Nia already ate. She done already ate, y'all.
I need some pretzels.
Yeah, now she eating pretzels. So I'm about to eat my food, watch a couple of YouTube videos. I'm gonna edit everything tonight. I'm gonna watch a couple of YouTube videos, and while I'm eating, me and Mia are gonna get dressed and we're gonna go to Ross, some other places. I want to start decorating my living room. Like, it's starting to get on my nerves. So that's what we're gonna do. I might run it at home, the one in the beginning location. I think I told y'all that. So I might do that. And this is just a little light beach, y'all. Like, it ain't even nothing. I need to take my earrings off. So this is like a little light beat or whatever. Nothing too, you know. But this is a ponytail. I did my content on. I had to do a content on this ponytail and my teddy bears first. So let me eat my food, y'all, and we gonna talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all, we back. So we are literally just getting in the car. And it's 4:10. Girl, I had to took me a nap. I was exhausted from that, girl.
My mama is sleepy.
Yeah, I was asleep. I had to left her up, baby. I was tired. I was too tired. So yeah, we just got in the car. Like I said, it's about 4:10. Just got dressed and everything. So I think we're on our way to Ross. So I'll talk to them when I get to Ross. I don't have my tripod. I'm gonna see if I can buy me a car mount for my phone so that I can record on. Cause the ones I keep buying for $5 Below, they keep on breaking. I refuse to buy another one. Like, it be breaking like within 2 or 3 days. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'll talk to y'all once I get to Ross.
Oh, I used to be the one that you called up. Late nights, took them late drives to the west side. Used to keep it fun, that's why I fucked up. Should've sobered up, should've pulled the plug. That D like a drug, yeah. Now I'm sitting wondering what I'm gon' do. Heated by the fire, thinking about you. Never been the type that's in the drama, but that karma looking good.
So yeah, we done made it to TJ Maxx.
I'm gonna go this way.
Come on.
Hey, come here.
I asked Nia what store she wanted to go into first. She said, I said TJ Maxx or Rose. She said TJ Maxx. Now she like, we going at them? I'm like, didn't you say you wanted to go into TJ Maxx? But now we're on our way to where we going? What store I said? Ross. Come on. We're going to Ross now, y'all. That's not Ross. That's $5 Below. Cause I found some stuff in TJ Maxx, but you know what, my hand? Your shoe coming off? What's up? Oh, we're going to TJ Maxx. Now look, the crazy part about it, y'all, I forgot all about this store named Burlington's out here. Come on, Burlington's. It got so many decor stuff, and I'm thinking like, I feel like I know a decor store. Yes, it's Burlington. And I'm like, I went to one of these places before. Could not think about it. Burlington's, girl. So that's where we gonna head to after we come from Ross. Yeah, I better tell y'all, friend walk off if I leave her here. Shucks, it look like it's about to rain. Look at the skies. It's been looking like this all day. That's why we got out the house kind of late. Got out the house kind of late because I thought it was gonna rain. I heard the thunder, but it never rained. So we about to go into Ross. I'm gonna hit y'all back up. So we at McDonald's. Nia wanted to eat lunch, but she wanted to eat in here. I hate eating in this place. Like,
Cause they're eating in this place.
So Nia had, tell them what you have.
I have some nuggets and some sauce and some toys and some apple cider and some fries.
What kind of drink you have?
Milk.
And I have a hot and spicy, y'all. 2 hot spices with extra mayonnaise. You know, I forgot to put extra mayonnaise on there. You know, now you get a little kiosk thing, and so I got 2 hot spices, a fry, and a hot. We about to eat, y'all.
Hey, Mama, look.
So, good morning! Good morning, y'all. Excuse my hair. Today is Sunday. Today is what?
Sunday.
Today is Sunday, and we just woke up. Ain't even brush our teeth yet. I'm about to make Nia some breakfast. When we gonna brush our teeth, I'm gonna make Nia some breakfast.
I want some cereal.
You want cereal or she want cereal?
Unicorn cereal.
She want unicorn cereal. Excuse my hair. We
I
gonna
like
make.
some unicorn cereal.
Okay, so we're gonna make breakfast, and then maybe once we finish, we might run to Ollie's. I was thinking about bringing Nia to the, but I'm not sure. So I'm not sure about that because it's hot as hell outside. I ain't even much trying to.
Hey, y'all. Look.
I ain't even much trying to be in that heat like that, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and open my shutters. I don't know how they. Not sure, but whatever I do, I want to go early so that I can come back home and shampoo me and Nia hair, and get ready for the week.
Mama,
What?
something.
To get ready for the. I know my baby shape like me. So
I can't put it on by myself.
Lord. Wait. So yeah, we might go to Ollie's on the West Bank to see what they have. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. You're gonna brush your teeth or something. I had to get some stuff to apply my wigs. And I also needed a new straightening comb because mine conked out on me. So I got this one, Teach Gold Pressing Comb. And I got double-sided. And this is, yeah, it's double-sided. Because, I mean, when you straighten them wigs, like you know, you got to do like this with it. So I'm glad I got this one. This one was $29.99 from the beauty supply store. I also got some more gel. This was $5.49. They had the big ones, but they didn't have the big ones in the coconut oil that we use. And alcohol free. Make sure y'all do that. Alcohol free or water based. Last time I had water based. Last time I had water based. It didn't say alcohol free, but they claiming this is a new one. I want to try it because you know the alcohol dry your scalp out and shit. So I got some beads for Nene hair. So we gonna Today we're gonna shampoo Nia's hair and shampoo my hair. I might twist mine up in a style or something. Shampoo Nene hair, shampoo my hair, put Nene hair in some braids. Because y'all know she gonna be my stepmama during the week when she out of school. I got some adhesive spray, extreme firm. Is it called, what you call it? Alright, y'all, so we back. We are literally pulling out the driveway. We are going to Ollie's. Nia. We're going to Ollie's, y'all. So that's one thing checked off the list. And something is funky outside of my house. I don't know if that's the dumpster I was telling y'all about that I'm going to throw my trash in today. Or what, but it smelled like something dead, something old, like... It's really funky. So we about to head to Ollie's and I'll talk to y'all once we get to Ollie's. Just made it to Ollie's.
Let me see. Yeah.
So we're at Ollie's. We'll go this way.
Yeah, Ollie's.
Ollie's.
Mama, you need a basket.
Oh, basket? They probably got baskets in there. The basket probably hot. I don't know, we'll probably go on.
Huh?
Let's get one in the inside. Let's get one in the inside.
Okay. The Angelo ones?
Yeah.
Mama, maybe I don't have no gumbo.
Gumbo? What you talking about?
Oh, let me do got some gumbo. Mama, maybe I get some gumbo.
Maybe when we finish. Let's get them. I wonder if my friends still work here.
I want some gumbo.
Well, yeah, we're about to look around the store first. Girl, we back home. Excuse me. We back home. Didn't buy nothing. Girl, we went to Family Dollar, girl. And we was walked down the aisle, and one of the workers there which was a dude, he was like, dang, she gonna be taller than you in 2 years. I'm like, she's gonna be taller than me in a few months. Shucks. That's how many girls. That's how many girls, y'all. Come on, oh, my kiss on. So yeah, we are about to make Rotel Dip. Rotel Dip. Step stool. Like they went to Ollie's. There's some stuff up in there. I've seen a rug, but I wasn't really too fine of a rug. But that's a good place for some people to shop at. No cap. It's a nice place. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. Then after that, I'm gonna shampoo my hair. I might shampoo my hair. I might wait to shampoo my hair tomorrow. Not sure. But I'm most definitely shampoo my hair. So we will talk to y'all, I guess, when I finish. I'm tired. Y'all, it's so hot outside and something stink outside my house. I think I told y'all that. Something is funky outside my house. I don't know what it is, but it's stink. So I'll call y'all back.
Something stink.
I told you that.
Ew. Just need to wear some clips. clips. Mama, name me clips. Mama, name me clips. Huh? Clips.
Clips? What's the...
That's the clips you put on
Come
your
hold the bike
nose.
still. Come hold the bike still.
Okay.
Hold it.
Come on. Come on, bud. Get out of his face.
I wrote this shit.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot.
Us back inside.
Sure it is.
Because my teacher's red. Hey y'all, look. Look at this I got. Look what I got, y'all.
Don't waste it.
Blue thing.
Yeah, I'm about to clean up. Come on. Stealing candy, huh? About to shampoo my hair, y'all. Actually, I'm gonna straighten up this guest room right fast. So I'm about to shampoo my hair, get it over with, because Nia is most definitely getting her shampoo tomorrow. Talking about she wanted shampoo. We're shampooing today, shampooing Monday. I said tomorrow is Monday, baby. Well, shampoo tomorrow. Alright. But I still might shampoo today, because I ain't gonna want to do it tomorrow. So I shampoo my hair with Nazoro. Well, first I shampoo it with this. When you have like psoriasis on the scalp or dry scalp, I recommend that you shampoo it with a Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. And then you go in with your psoriasis shampoo. This is from Walmart. It's a little bit expensive, but it works good. And this is like $1 at Walmart or whatever. So this is actually shampoo and conditioner. But even though it say conditioner, I still always go in with Ussie curling cream conditioner, because it really helps bring my curls out. I like that. Really much too. Wash my hands.
Wash my hands.
You need to wash your hands. You've been outside. Yeah. Rotel. Put a few chips on here.
Mama, why did you use the soap? This one?
No, the other.
Wait, this one?
The other. The other. Yeah.
I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch say mad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. That's too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting up beans. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking you like that I mean. That this bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. Thumb in a check, blow their Neiman. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. See on my body, I do it with ease. See with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got the shoe? I want your love, I just want the blue. Cover my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like. I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch say mad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. That's too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting up beans. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking you like that I mean. That this bitch how you shitting me. If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. On the sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm finna X, niggas be.
Alright, I'm finishing my hair. I'm about to maybe shampoo Nia hair. No, I might just shampoo her hair tomorrow. I'm really shampooing her hair tomorrow. Like, seriously. I'm really doing it. Because it's about 9. Okay. What time it is, man? Looks to me it's about 9. It's time for us to go to bed. So I'm about to take a bath and stuff. Because I'm tired. Alright, y'all. So, we are in the bed. We are about to go to bed. Got the tub. Nia's eating a snack. Nia, you got ketchup on your shirt. Where'd that come from? Where'd that come from?
I didn't know what it called.
Where's that? In your room?
No.
Where's that?
It's
Wherever, go get it. Cause it's on your shirt. I had ketchup on my bed. I'm like, where the hell that ketchup come from? Now she got ketchup on her shirt, so I know she was doing some shit I had no business doing. Go get it. It's in your room? Where's that? Huh? So how you get ketchup on your shirt?
You're the boss of the day?
Where's that?
Well, what do I do? What do we do first? Okay.
Hold up, y'all. Anyways, y'all, we are literally about to go to bed. Well, I'm about to go to bed. You know, Nia don't have school tomorrow. So she watching Ollie. Still don't know where the ketchup coming from. Ketchup was in my bed, on the side of my bed, and ketchup on the back of her shirt. So what you was doing? You just got the tub, so whatever you was doing something. Talking about she wasn't doing nothing. Just don't know if she's supposed to get my ass whooped. Well, we about to go to bed, y'all. We just want to say, we just want to say thank you for watching this vlog, even though we didn't do too much or nothing. We just appreciate y'all. We love y'all. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all every step of the way. We're so happy that y'all are a part of our family. We just really love y'all. It's so crazy how we connect with y'all. Like, I never even met y'all in person, but I feel like I met y'all in person. I feel like y'all are literally our family. Like, you know, like, and I'm really a shy person. When I come on here and talk to y'all, interact with y'all in the comments and stuff, I feel like I'm really y'all family. Like, I'm really y'all sister. And Nia is really y'all niece. And we just want to say thank you for all the love and support that y'all be showing us. And we are about to go to bed. Because I have work tomorrow and Nia don't have nothing tomorrow. I'm tripping.
I'm going to Mimi's house.
Yeah, she going to Mimi's house, my stepmom. So, Make sure y'all.
And
Make sure they what?
hit the bell
Mm-hmm.
and subscribe. You keep the thumbs down. You keep the thumbs up.
Keep the thumbs up. Don't put them down. Keep the thumbs up. So make sure you do what? Like
And subscribe.
and cut.
And the notification
And
bell.
what?
Notification bell.
The notification bell, y'all. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video.
And y'all love unicorn. Subscribe. Y'all need to buy this unicorn shirt.
Crazy as hell.
Oh my God,
So yeah, you about to go to bed. And we will actually talk to y'all later. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow Monday, y'all. So I don't know. Y'all know I be sluggish on a Monday. You know what I'm saying? Get out the way. Oh, she was giving him a kiss.
Yeah.
So anyways, we'll talk to y'all.
Hey y'all, you want my cookie? Yum 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 yum.
Girl, we'll talk to y'all tomorrow.
Here's some cookies.
Peace out. Right here.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip.